Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best gaming PC case computer reviews.
100% new desktop computer with RTX 5090 and Intel i7 CPU delivers extreme gaming and multitasking performance. Designed with a stylish gaming PC case, this factory wholesale desktop ensures smooth graphics, high-speed processing, and reliable cooling, perfect for gamers, creators, and professionals seeking top-quality computadoras at competitive prices.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.